everybody. This camp didn't work out, and I'll show you why. You can see the dirt road. Let me see. See this dirt road right here? That's the road that you come in to get to my camp, and that's the one Sue Ann came down. And somebody was walking down it yesterday just before dusk, right as the sun was setting. And they came down, let me see if I can show you. They came down and they walked and they got here to where you cut off from my camp, but then they went this way toward the wash. See that wash? And then, see that tree right there? They ducked behind that tree. And then in a little bit, they came out and they just stood there for the longest time looking toward my van. So I'm a little bit creeped out and leaving today. Before we do that, let me show you, I forgot, let me show you the wash. We'll probably get into the sun and it's gonna blind you, but this wash goes a long way down. And once they ducked behind that tree, it was a guy, and I gave the description immediately to Robert. Once they ducked behind that tree and went down the wash, I couldn't see them anymore. So like I said, we'll go find a new campsite and I'll take you guys with me. And don't worry, I stayed in my van and was secured and had it all locked up and everything. And I'm close enough to civilization that it's not a problem. I could have left or called 911, but it's not a danger out here. That's the first time ever out in the middle of nowhere I've seen anybody. So anyway, that's the motto out here. If you don't feel comfortable or if something comes up, you turn the key and move on down the road. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, you guys, I didn't get a picture of all my errands, excuse me, but I ran into town and I was gonna get gas, and I'm on the California side of the Colorado. The Colorado River splits California and Arizona. On the left-hand side is, west is, of course, California, Blythe, California. Right on the other side of the Colorado River is Ehrenberg, Arizona. And if you drive across the highway, you can save $1.20 a gallon in gas. I mean, across the river. So I did that today. I was in Blythe running errands, but I went over to Ehrenberg and got gas because they now have not only that horrid Pilot Flying J that's always backed up and crowded and you can't get through the parking lot. They now have a nice 76 travel plaza. Anyway, so I went there and I'm so proud of myself. I saved $1.20 a gallon and I got 15 gallons. So that was awesomeness. Well, I have a spare, and I have the wrench and the tool that drops the spare tire from underneath the van, but the jack or the tire tool doesn't fit the new lug nuts. Anyway, I am camped with a friend, and you know, when you are trying to conserve and reserve, you know, this was a dumb thing for me to do. It was just a dumb thing for me to do. So anyway, you probably won't hear any more from me today because I'm going to get this taken care of, get off this mountain with my friend, and I have to come up with the money for tires, and that was not in our budget. We'll see you down the road, everybody, once I get back on the road. Be safe out there. Bye.